Hello and welcome! In this video, we're going to dive into exactly how to use Smart Algo so you can trade with confidence and achieve better results in the market. This is a step-by-step guide designed for anyone who's new to using our indicators. We'll take you through everything from setting up your account to understanding all the features Smart Algo has to offer. I'll also explain how these features work together to give you high-confidence trade setups. If you've ever felt confused about where to start or how to use Smart Algo effectively, don't worry. This video will make it simple. When you sign up for Smart Algo, the first thing you need to know is how access works. Once your payment is processed, you'll be asked to provide your TradingView username. This is the username you use to log into TradingView, and it's how we give you access to the indicator. It's extremely important to provide the correct username during sign-up. If there's a typo or you accidentally send the wrong username, you won't receive access, and you'll need to contact our support team to update it. Make sure to double-check before submitting it to avoid any delays. Most users will gain access to Smart Algo within just a few minutes of signing up. However, due to time zone differences, there might be a delay of up to 6 hours in some cases. Rest assured, 6 hours is the absolute maximum wait time. Once access is granted, you'll receive a confirmation email letting you know that everything is ready. Once you've received confirmation that access has been granted, log in to your TradingView account. TradingView is where all the action happens. It's the platform that displays your charts, indicators, and trading tools. After logging in, open any chart. It can be for any market or asset you're interested in trading, such as Forex, stocks, or cryptocurrencies. Once your chart is open, navigate to the Indicators tab, which you'll find at the top of the screen. Click on it, and then look for a section labeled Invite-Only Scripts. This section is where you'll find the Smart Algo indicator, as well as the Smart Oscillator. If you don't see these tools in the Invite-Only section, it's likely that access hasn't been activated yet. So double-check your TradingView username or contact our support team for assistance. To add Smart Algo to your chart, simply click on it in the Invite-Only section. Once added, you'll notice that your chart updates with several features, including buy and sell signals, the Smart Cloud, and other tools we'll cover in detail next. Now that you've added Smart Algo to your chart, let's talk about what you're looking at. Smart Algo is designed to simplify trading by providing clear signals and tools that help you make informed decisions. Let's go through the features one by one. The buy and sell signals are the most noticeable feature. These markers appear on your chart to indicate potential trade opportunities. A buy signal suggests a possible upward price movement, while a sell signal indicates a potential drop. While these signals are helpful, they work best when used alongside the other tools in Smart Algo, which we'll explain shortly. Another key feature is the trend panel. This is your quick snapshot of the market's overall condition. The trend panel shows whether the market is bullish or bearish, how strong the trend is, and even which trading session is currently active. This information helps you understand the bigger picture before entering a trade. Next, you'll notice the Smart Cloud, which visually represents the overall trend and momentum of the market. If the price is above the green cloud, it's a sign that the market is bullish, meaning you should focus on buy trades. If the price is below the red cloud, it indicates bearish conditions, so you'll want to consider sell trades. The indicator also includes support and resistance levels, which are crucial for identifying areas where price might reverse or pause. Support acts as a floor where buying pressure can push prices up, while resistance acts as a ceiling where selling pressure might bring prices down. Finally, you'll see features like fair value gaps and order blocks. These tools highlight areas on the chart where price is likely to react based on past market behavior. Fair value gaps are areas where price moved too quickly, leaving gaps that are often revisited. Order blocks represent zones where large institutional orders might have been placed, making them key areas for potential reversals. Smart Algo is highly customizable, which means you can adjust its settings to match your trading style and goals. One of the most important settings is signal sensitivity. If you prefer to trade frequently and catch quick market movements, you can lower the sensitivity to generate more signals. On the other hand, if you want fewer but higher quality signals, you can increase the sensitivity. This is especially helpful if you're trading on higher timeframes or prefer a more selective approach. Another setting to pay attention to is the Smart Logic. Smart Algo offers two modes: Smart Signals and Smart Scalper. Smart Signals is great for general trading across all timeframes, providing steady and consistent signals. Smart Scalper, on the other hand, is ideal for fast trades on lower timeframes like the 1-minute or 5-minute chart. Take some time to experiment with these modes and find the one that suits your style best. Navigating Smart Algo is simple once you understand what each feature does and how to find it on your chart. Start by activating all the key tools in the settings menu, such as the Smart Cloud, Trend Panel, Support and Resistance Levels, fair value gaps, the trend sniper, trend finder, take profit and stop loss levels, and order blocks. Each tool adds a layer of valuable information to help you understand the market at a glance. The trend panel is an important tool. It's located in the corner of your chart and shows key market metrics, including market strength, the current trading session, and the overall market trend. The star rating system is part of this panel and tells you how favorable the conditions are for trading. More stars mean better opportunities. Support and resistance levels appear as horizontal lines on your chart, marking areas where the price is likely to react. Fair value gaps and order blocks provide additional context, highlighting zones where the market might revisit or reverse. These tools make it easy to identify potential trade setups. If you're ever confused about a feature or need help setting something up, join our Discord server for quick assistance. For those looking to combine all these features into a complete trading strategy, check out our YouTube channel. We've created in-depth tutorials showing you how to implement this strategy in real time. Watching those videos will help you understand how to use these tools together effectively. Take your time to explore and practice navigating Smart Algo on a demo account. This helps you get comfortable with the tools without risking real money. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to join our Discord community, where our admins and members are always ready to help. For more tutorials and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this guide. We hope it makes using Smart Algo easier and helps you feel confident in navigating all its features. See you next time.